So let's say you have a worksheet that you want to make digital. If you have a paper worksheet, or if you even bought a worksheet from maybe TPT that came as a PDF form, you can make those digital very easily. So if you already have a PDF of a worksheet, or even a PowerPoint of a worksheet that you made, you can save that PowerPoint as a PDF and do what we're about to do here. So I am right now on my Chromebook. And even if you're on a Windows computer, you can use the snipping tool. So you have to go down to the Windows and search snip, and it will pop up for you. But here on my Chromebook, I have a capture tool as well. So basically what we want to do is we want to take essentially a screenshot of just the document we want to use. So if it's 2 pages, again, you want to do both pages. So I'm going to move this out of the way, and I'm going to just capture this as well. So what we're going to do from here is we're going to move this into a Google Slides. So you want to go to your drive, and you want to hit new, and it needs to load really quick, and then you're going to hit Google Slides. So once we're in Google Slides, the first thing we want to do is get rid of any text boxes. We don't need those. And then after we get rid of our text boxes, we need to change the layout. So we want this to look more like an actual piece of paper. So to change the layout here, what you would do, you would actually do File, you would do Page Setup, and we're going to do a custom setup, a custom size. So a piece of paper is, I think it's 8.5 by 11 inches, I believe. That looks about right. And so every time you add a new slide, it will already be that same exact size, so you don't have to resize every single slide. But like we just did, we took some screenshots of the worksheet that we want to put on here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to insert the image I just took. So I'm going to upload this from my computer. And let's see, it should be under downloads. Okay. And you know what? This is a great point. If you insert it as a picture, this is what's going to happen. Your kids can move this around all over the place, and they can essentially delete it. So we actually don't want to do that. What we're going to do is we're going to update the background on our slide. So we're going to insert an image here. And again, we're uploading it from our computer. And I'm going to do the first page of our screenshot. Done. So now the kids can't move this around. This is stuck on the slide, and you're good to go. So from here, what we would do is we would just add text boxes for the student. So this is a closed notes, and we want them to follow along. You may not want them to do their name, because if you're doing this in Google Classroom, each student will have a document, and it will actually have their name in the document title. So they probably don't need to do that, but you can add text boxes for that as well. And basically just go through and add text boxes in for all of the blanks. And you would do all of that, maybe add a text box in for the summary. And for our second page, we're going to do the same thing. Background, choose image, pick it from our computer, and it's going to be the back of our worksheet. Done. Again, they can't move this around, so that's great. And again, you can just add text boxes. So that way, whenever the kids get the document, all they have to do is click, and then they can start writing whatever they need to write. So that's a way that you can take a worksheet and make it digital very easily. If you have a paper worksheet, all you have to do is scan that document into your computer, and if it's back and front or however many pages, scan it in, and you'll do the same exact thing. It will basically already be an image on your computer, and you're going to make it the background on your slide and just insert text boxes wherever you need to. So if you have any questions, remember to leave a comment. I'll be happy to answer them for you. Also, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and also hit that subscribe button for more EdTech tips.